74th Amendment. The region where 75% of the male population is employed under non-agricultural sector is referred as urban area. 74th Amendment Act is also known as Nagar Palika Act. Came into force on 1st June 1993. It has given constitutional status to the municipalities and brought them under the justifiable part of the Constitution. States were put under constitutional obligation to adopt municipalities as per system enshrined in the Constitution. 74th Amendment Act ordered the municipal corporation for major cities like Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, etc. to establish municipalities or municipal councils, and smaller towns to establish the Nagar Panchayats. Every municipal council consists of a general council elected by the adult citizens. These members are called councillors. The mayor is elected annually by all the members of the corporation from among themselves, and he holds a very respectable position. Reservation and tenure. The council size depends on the population, and sometimes seats are reserved for STs and SCs in proportion to their populations. 1/3 seats of the total number of seats are reserved for women. According to this amendment, every municipal corporation or municipality or the Nagar Panchayat is elected for a period of 5 years, and in case of dissolution, fresh elections should be conducted within 6 months. Functions and responsibility. The 12th schedule of the Constitution of India consists of the functions of 74th Amendment Act. The functions of 74th Amendment includes maintenance of roads, bridges, urban amenities like parks, public health and sanitation, promotion of cultural and educational aspects, safeguarding the interests of weaker sections of the society, including handicapped and mentally retarded.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.